Hello, onward bounders. Ever seen a plane riding a train? Imagine these massive airplane fuselages, too large for highways, riding the rails across America's heartland. Welcome to Wichita, Kansas, where engineering marvels take the spotlight. Not in the skies, but on the tracks. Every week, these futuristic giants journey west, bound for full assembly. But what makes this operation so unique? And how did a global pandemic brings it to a screeching halt? Join us as we chase down a plane on the train, a spectacle you won't want to miss. Welcome to our channel and thank you for watching this video. Today, we're going to take a sneak peek on one of the most unofficial pastimes of Kansans. Every week, massive airplane fuselages journey across the heartland of America, traveling on trains from Wichita, Kansas to Washington State, where they'll be fully assembled into commercial aircraft. This unique logistical operation has been a common sight since the early 2000s, showcasing Wichita's role as the air capital of the world. Each week, several fuselages, most destined for Boeing assembly lines, are carefully transported via the Burlington Northern Santa Fe Railway. Before 2020, it wasn't unusual to see up to 6 fuselages being shipped weekly. But during the COVID-19 pandemic, this number dropped drastically as the aviation industry faced unprecedented challenges. The train carrying its precious cargo becomes a spectacle for locals, commuters, and aviation enthusiasts alike. Most of the time, a family in the car waits at the crossing, catching a glimpse of these engineering marvels in transit. But for some, the fascination doesn't end there. Chasing the plane on the train has become an unofficial pastime for some Kansans. The thrill of keeping pace with a massive fuselage-laden train as it winds through the plains captures the essence of small-town excitement and aviation pride. Though the COVID-19 pandemic disrupted production and deliveries, the sight of these planes on trains has returned as the industry rebounds. These journeys are more than logistics. They're a testament to resilience, innovation, and Wichita's enduring legacy in aviation. As the plane on the train disappears into the horizon, it's a reminder of the innovation and determination that drives industries forward, even through challenges like the pandemic. From the tracks of Wichita to the skies of the world, this unique journey is just one chapter in the story of aviation. Thanks for riding along, and don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for you not to miss the next video. Until next time, keep exploring the extraordinary.